Stephanie Tower. Never miss the Bitcoin beat. This is CoinGeek Pulse. This week, we take a look at yet another problem with Ethereum Classic, which suffered its third network attack in 4 weeks. The network was 51% attacked Saturday evening, resulting in a 7,000 block reorganization or 2 days worth of mining. A chain reorg happens when a party gains more hashing power than the rest of the network miners. These constant ETC attacks transpire because it's relatively easy to do so and cheap. Reports say that it would only cost around $5,000 per hour to attack the network at 51%. Exchanges have increased their confirmation time for ETC and suspended payouts and withdrawals for customers as well. The hobby platform couldn't catch a break, as another report says as much as $1 billion worth of Ethereum tokens are at risk. The new research revealed that tokens are vulnerable to the so-called fake deposit attack. This means over 7,000 issuers of ERC20 tokens identified are susceptible to the exploit. Attacks may happen because these tokens are missing a software standard released all the way back in 2017, increasing the likelihood of a $1 billion loss from exchange hacks that list the tokens. Some exchanges are now looking at delisting Ethereum Classic due to the network's severe lack of security. In other news, BTC mining operators lose access to Inner Mongolia's cheap power. Inner Mongolia drops the power subsidies of over 20 unnamed BTC mining operators. This comes after the government ordered the crackdown on digital currency mining farms. Recent reports show that industry giants Bitmain and eBank are among those listed. This means they can no longer enjoy generous electricity discounts from the state-owned energy trading firm. Late last year, inspections revealed that some big data and cloud computing companies in the region were just digital currency mining farms in disguise. And hot off the grill, the third Bitcoin BSV Hackathon finalists revealed. Bitcoin Association named 3 finalists to compete for a share of $100,000 prize pool paid in BSV. Kurt, Rapzip, and Stotask are the chosen 3 among 42 Bitcoin projects that entered the contest. They came from a competitive selection of over 400 individuals from 75 countries around the world. The theme, Connecting the World to One Global Blockchain, challenged the participants to harness BSV blockchain's unbounded scaling ability, which enables greater data capacity and high volumes of low-fee transactions sent instantly across the globe. The 3 finalists will present their projects at the upcoming CoinGeek Live 2020 conference on September 30 to October 2, happening in New York and London, and virtually available for free all over the world. And that's it for your weekly CoinGeek Pulse. I'm Stephanie Tower. Visit CoinGeek.com so you never miss the Bitcoin beat. Thank you for watching.
Bitcoin SV. One world, one chain.